So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can export maximum quality frame from a video. Now for example, if I want a screenshot of this one now, one thing you can do, you can just simply make it full screen and take a screenshot, but that will definitely gonna consume a lot of quality issues. Now in order to fix that, just simply click on this option of camera over right there just below on the timeline, and here you'll see this option of export frame, or you can just simply press Control plus Shift plus E on your keyboard, and you'll notice that the frame have been exported. Now simply select the format to PNG, and select the location where you want to save it and hit OK. Now whenever you go back to that particular location, you'll find a perfect high quality frame from this particular timeline, or this particular video. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.